Okay, this is what is solar storms. Solar storms are associated with coronal mass ejections also. Okay, so when solar storms and these charged particles are thrown out from the sunspots, from the layer of corona, some of the mass gets ejected. Together, all of these, when it moves towards the earth, near to the earth, it interacts with the earth's magnetic field. As it comes near to the earth, it interacts with the earth's magnetic field. Magnetic field में क्या है? So basically, these are the layers where it is capable of attracting or deflecting the charged particles. In most of the cases, it will deflect the charged particles either in this direction or this direction, or it will attract and it will neutralize them. It will not let them come near to the surface. So this magnetic field acts like a protective layer around the earth, which will protect the earth from these highly charged particles coming from the sun. Regularly तो आएगा, कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा आ जाएगा, जैसे storm आ गया. So when they come near to the earth, most of these charged particles which are hitting these lines at 90 degrees, they get neutralized, but some of them travel near to the poles. But as it comes near to the poles, you can see that the magnetic field lines are totally straight here. They will not be able to block them, and here they get stuck here. The charged particles will get stuck here near to the poles. बाकी जगह में देखो पूरा परपेंडिकुलरली हिट करेगा, पूरा न्यूट्रलाइज हो गया. यहाँ पर ये ब्लॉक नहीं कर सकते. So there it enters near to the lower atmosphere. In the lower atmosphere, these charged particles will react with the gases, and that produces these colorful lights. And these colorful lights are called as aurora. The colorful lights produced in the atmosphere due to the interaction of charged particles, which is usually observed near to the polar region, is what is called as aurora. Near to the north pole, it is called as aurora borealis. Near to the south pole, it is called as aurora australis. Sometimes when a huge geomagnetic storm hits the earth, more charged particles interact, more auroras are produced, the way it happened recently. इतना ज्यादा चार्ज पार्टिकल्स एक ही टाइम में आ गया था, ये पूरा यूजुअली यहाँ पर होता है, ये पूरा यहाँ तक अरोरा आ गया था. अरोरा वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन यूएसए, इन कनाडा, वो छोड़ो लद्दाख में भी दिख गया था.